Good morning, everybody. I am going to be making a Purple Heart bowl today, but really quickly I wanted to say thank you for stopping by, and if you enjoy this sort of content or if you learned anything from it, I would greatly appreciate a follow, like, share, anything that you could find in your heart to do. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, back to the video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.